Hi, second graders. Your choice today is to play a math game with a deck of cards. So you're going to need a deck of cards for this. Now, you'll notice that I'm playing with Marvin. Okay, Marvin, stop that. And you might have a sibling to play with, you might have a grown-up to play with, but if you don't, you can pull up a pet, you can get a stuffy, you don't need another human to play this game with. So Marvin and I are going to show you how to do this. So you might have played this game in first grade, in which case it will be familiar, which is great. If not, no worries, I'm going to show you. So what each of you are going to do is flip over two cards. I flipped over a 7 and a queen. I'm glad I flipped this because it's really important you remember that Jack, the queen, and the king are always worth 10. So I flipped those over. Now, Marvin's paws have a hard time with cards, so I'm going to flip his for him. He also seems to be falling asleep. He's not too excited, I guess. Marvin got a king, which again is worth 10, and a 4. So this is what we have to do. We have to add our cards together. So I have the 10, remember this is a 10, and 7. Now, I know my teen facts really well, so I just know that 10 and 7 is 17. So my total is 17. Marvin has a 10 and a 4. Again, that's a teen fact, which I happen to know well, so I can do that just in my head. 10 plus 4 is 14. If I didn't know my teen facts, I could put 10 in my head, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I could count up. I could also get my number chart out of my folder and use that to help me. You could also get your math notebook and draw pictures of circles. Don't worry if you want to do that and you think, oh, it's going to take too long. No worries, you have as much time as you need. So I have 17, Marvin has 14. I have more, so I take the cards. And you just keep playing like that. Now, if you want to make it a little more complicated for yourself, and this is really, again, your choice. This is a choice board. I would flip over 3, maybe even 4 cards, and then you have to add 4 cards together. So I'd have a 5, ace is always 1, a 7, and a 4. Now, let me remind you of another strategy you can use. You can also, to find the total, you can count the pictures on the cards. Doesn't work with Jack, Queen, and King because they don't have 10 pictures, but with every other card, you can do that. So I hope you have fun with this game. Remember, you don't need a grown-up, you don't even need a sibling. Some of you might have a pet, but I bet all of you have stuffies or dolls or something you can use, set up, and play the game, and it will help you practice your addition. Have fun, second graders.